First, I gotta put these bags down. I thought that this ticket was straight to the airport. I left home at 2:03 p.m. on the 22nd of March. The ferry leaves at 3 p.m. sharp, so 19 minutes. So 18 minutes and some change right now. Hello, hello. Made it to the freaking ferry, y'all. Just hopped on. There's plenty of people hopping on too. And we headed straight over across the water from this port to the port in Hong Kong and hop right off. You miss me? No, I don't hear you. This girl, she messaged me on Instagram and said, I miss you, Mr. Trey. I didn't even leave yet. I'm not even on the plane yet. I miss you too, killer. Let's go to the airport. Overseas, if you know anything about overseas fast food, it's way better than in the States. So before I go back to the crib, before I go back to the States, I want to grab one more bite to eat. Ooh, let's go. Look at that face. What's up? Look, she's sad. What's up? Oh. Huh? Let me see. She got on a cold outfit. What you doing today? You look so beautiful. You look so beautiful. Where you at? Metro? Where? What is this? Oh, you're in Xiaobei. You're in Xiaobei. You wear these clothes to Xiaobei, okay. Man, what y'all know about those apple pies, man? I haven't had one of these in maybe years, you know? Got that apple pie from McDonald's. The crust is super hard. On the inside, that apple is super hot, melted and soft. Apple pie from McDonald's, man. That taste of home. We on our way back to this just put me at home even faster, you know, being in America. I used to kill these apple pies. I bought 3 of them. 1 now, 2 for my flight. I got a bag of Doritos, my favorite Doritos in the world, my favorite chips, Cool Ranch. I got a Pocari Sweat, which is essentially like Gatorade. I got 2 waters. 2 waters. We staying hydrated for this whole flight. It's 12 hours, you know. Then I got some M&Ms. And I got some wipes. Finally, we're starting to board this plane. I'm a little sleepy, I'm not even gonna lie. But I got loads of videos to edit. So 12 hours, I think I should be able to get it done. Let's see. Los Angeles. Here we go. All right, guys, I'm on this plane, man. This is it. Headed back to America. Headed back to see my family after 14 months. 1 year, 2 months.
把机舱门尽快关上。
Fried chicken noodles or pasta?
Pasta.
Sir, chicken with noodles or pasta?
Let's see, we got some food. We got some pasta. They gave us some bread. I don't know what that is. And a chocolate brownie that's gonna probably have somebody on the toilet. They brought a snack around. I've been killing this sandwich right here. We almost there, y'all. We landed safely here in Cali. Man, I'm happy. Thank you, God, for a safe journey. Literally the definition of never not working, you know? We always want to keep going wherever we at. You never know. I did not feel like coming here, honestly, I didn't. I was gonna lay down for the next 2 hours and leave when it's time to go to that flight, but something said go to the gym, you know? We are back at the airport. I told y'all, this traveling stuff not easy, but we gonna get through it, you know? Got some Chips Ahoy. If I get that Cheez-Its right there, I'm gonna eat that whole bag. I don't wanna do that. Let's get a regular original bag. I got some Cheez-Its, I got some Cookies Ahoy, Chips Ahoy. We got one more flight, Wolfpack Gangi. We got one more flight, yo. Got you. Thank you. Oh, Michigan. Thank you. This time I got some better flight essentials. We got the, ooh. Even when she not with me, she with me. Man, I'm here, we finally arrived, it's go time, it's up. Let's get it, man, let's get it.